So good morning, guys. So we are this is our first full day here at Disney for Dapper weekend. So tomorrow, there's Nicole. This is my girlfriend. Hi. We're wearing, look, we're matching today.
Oh my god, I love your outfit.
I love your outfit.
Hi guys.
Totally matching. She's wearing her fishy Dapper dress. It's Dapper weekend, but the official Dapper day is tomorrow. So it's our first full day in the parks. We're just grabbing coffee, we're grabbing breakfast. With early magic morning, you get to come in an hour early before the park opens. So basically, I think we're just gonna eat and then hopefully get on a few rides before the actual rope drop happens. So exciting news! Not only is what? No, not you. Not only did Zay get her first annual pass. Did we say that
Our last vlog.
already? Oh yeah. Not only did Zay get her first annual pass, but she is 40 inches now. Oh, so she's tall enough to ride a couple things, but we're worried she's gonna get scared. So we're not gonna put her on all the big rides. Like, she can finally ride Big Thunder, Space Mountain, Guardians of the Galaxy. We ain't gonna do that. We're just gonna put her on the Radiator Springs ride, because that's the only 40-inch ride we think she might actually like. So let's see how that goes. Or maybe we'll trick her and put her on a roller coaster. Who knows? We might scar her for life, and then coming to Disneyland might be a waste. What do you think, Dad? It's like, we don't want that.
Let's try to not scare
Yeah,
her.
let's not scare her. Do you want to ride a big ride?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're not even tall enough yet. We're doing it!
We're doing
What are you
it.
gonna ride?
Car.
Car. Radiator Springs. She's
her
doing
first time.
it, guys. The uncles are watching Leah, and Zay's going on her first big kid ride ever at 40 inches.
Woo!
High five.
High five.
Okay, let's show them the new handshake. Snowflake, snowball, flurry.
Are you excited, Zay? Very excited? Yeah.
Gotta tug on your yellow tab.
All the excitement and
Please remain seated in your car. The race will resume momentarily. Once again, please remain seated in your car. The race will resume momentarily. Thank you.
so it says that we should remain in our cars and we'll resume momentarily, but as of now we are stuck on the ride. And we've been here for maybe a few minutes already. How's Zay?
We've been here for at least 5 minutes.
Yeah, at least 5 minutes. And what do you keep asking? What do you keep asking me?
What's taking so long?
What's taking so long? That's her favorite question whenever anything is taking too long. Ooh, but you can never, a lot of people can never say that they've ever walked here, Zay. So, that's pretty cool, right?
Another ride accomplishment. Leah is now 32 inches, so she can ride Mater's Junkyard Jamboree. Are you excited? Yeah? You gonna say, wee? Put your hands up. Ready? Whee! Like this, Uncle Mark. There's Uncle Mark.
Alright, so the reason for our trip is for Dapper Day, and we are finally here! Look, oh my god, everybody looks so good. Guys, so we have changed, we went back to our room, and we are now getting Zayana into the pin trading world, where we just bought her first one. Oh, what is that? What is that? They're both Dories. What does this one say? It says soon.
Oh, I'm like, I don't get it. It says soon. Oh, it's sad. That's for Daddy.
Okay. What about the other one? Let's open it.
I got it.
What does that say? Yeep.
It's upside down.
Oh, it's upside down. It says need. Ah! Isn't it cute? You want to put it on your jacket? Let's go put it on your jacket, okay? All right. Are you happy?
I wish you got
That's okay. I'll share with Daddy, okay?
No, he can't keep it for 5 weeks.
5 weeks and then I can have it?
Everything's 5 weeks with you, baby.
What do you say to Daddy?
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, baby.
Welcome, baby. Be a good girl. What is that for? Oh, you're crumpling my blessing. She's crumpling my blessing. Why are you crumpling my blessing?
No, you're
But Daddy's Miguel. We have to give Daddy the blessing. We just live in the land of the dead. Because we're skeletons.
No,
Daddy's the only living person.
now pretend you're the security guy and then I crumble it up.
Oh my goodness.
And I'm the Miguel who has the white thing from Daddy.
Uh-huh.
And in the forest where he gets water.
Oh, wow. That's a lot. Where are they? Oh, they're right there. Good morning, guys. Day 2 of Dapper weekend. So today's the actual dress-up day. We didn't talk much yesterday about our outfits. Because today we're wearing new outfits. As you can see, yesterday I was wearing this like super lime green dress and I had my alien ears. So it was probably a little obvious to you guys that I was Disney bounding, kind of Dapper, like in Dapper style as an LGM, a little green man from Toy Story. Jonathan was the, what's it called, Buzz Lightyear. And then the girls, they just wore their outfits from their birthday party. So they're little cowgirls, they're Jessie and Woody. But today, can you guess? I have this skeleton shirt. I have my Dia de los Muertos ears. We are bounding Coco today. And yesterday we went to the expo. We're all rocking these little D brooches. And Jonathan just wanted me to say where we got it from. It was from Match Accessories. So if you yourself would like one of these, just go online to matchaccessories.com. No way sponsored, just really cool stuff. We got like a cool deal because it was at the expo, and we ended up getting ones for our friends Mark and Johnny, and we got some for the girls. So everybody's gonna be rocking these today. So we're very excited. We're excited to see what everybody's wearing. We've seen what's his name, Jockey Duck. We've seen just a lot of different cool outfits already. And we're only in California Adventure right now, so we're probably gonna see a ton more over at Disneyland.
All right, breakfast at the Plaza Inn. Say hi, Minnie. Ooh. Say good morning, big hug. You too, Leah. Oh. Say hi, Minnie, big hug. Oh, it's the first time she hasn't cried or something. Did you boop her? You booped your nose? Boop. Oh, she's gonna give you an autograph.
So Leah has been afraid of all the characters except for Eeyore. She just gave you a kiss, Eeyore. Can you give him a high five? Yay! Good job. So Leah, what is that?
Juice.
Juice. Where are we? Can you say we're at the pool?
Oh.
The pool. We're finally at the pool. I am so tired. But we're trying to relax. We're gonna have lunch at the pool. Here at the Disneyland Hotel, they serve the same food as the Tangaroa Terrace. So if you're staying at the hotel and you want to go swimming and eat the food up there, you can just order it poolside. They also serve the same drinks. So we're doing that now, and we're just gonna be chilling the rest of the day. So we're gonna end the vlog here. So can you say bye?
Bye.
See you next time.
Man.
Say don't forget to like,
Yes.
And subscribe.
Subscribe.
Oh,
And
there.
subscribe. Bye.
Can you guys say bye?
Bye.